This is how you're going to change the widget color of your Mac widgets, right? So as you can see, currently they are kind of like see-through on my home screen, but when I click on it, you can see that they get color. And you can right click and click on like edit widgets and so on, but this doesn't let us essentially make changes to the way they look. Instead, we have to go to the settings app of our Mac and go to the desktop and a dock section. And in there, we get to manage some specific things about the stuff which shows up in the desktop or on the dock. And there is a dedicated widgets section. So you can see that there is the show widgets on a desktop, so you can literally disable them if you wanted to, right? And also show them in a stage manager. But there is the option to decide whether they are going to be dimmed, right? If the dim widgets on a desktop is set up. But you can see if you set it to never, they get the color back. And if you set it to always, they will always be dimmed. But when you set it to automatic, then it's going to look like this, that right now it is dimmed, or as I said, see-through. But when I click on it like this, you can see that they get the color back. So that's how you can use it, and that's what you can really do about that. But it's not like on the iPhone where you can fully change the color of the widgets, right, and make it kind of like tinted in the orange color or something. It doesn't work that way. So that's what we have currently available. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.